Hey thinkers, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to use Capcut. Capcut, if you don't know what it is a free and easy to use editing software for new content creators like you. So, now that we downloaded Capcut, we can look at our old projects. You might not have projects since you just downloaded it. And we can create a project. So we're going to recreate a project. And as soon as you do that, you're going to see four parts: the tools box, the player box, the settings box, and the timeline. We can use import to import our files and tiny videos that we have and combine them to make one video. Then we have the audio section. We can get our own background music to make our videos nicer and more appealing. Then we have the text section, which we can use to caption our videos to make them more understandable to other people. And we can choose our own format here with different fonts. Then we have the sticker section, and we can use stickers to make our videos more funnier and more understandable, like the text does. We can use effects to make our videos more cooler, and we can make them blurrier, we can make them flash, we can make them move. And we can do this with just one click, which is why it's so nice. Then we have transitions. Transitions are mostly free if you scroll down, and there's a lot of good transitions. Transitions are the things that happen when one part of the video is done and it goes to the next part. Instead of just switching to the next part, it makes a little movement and then goes to the next part. So we're going to add our file, whatever file you want, to our timeline by pressing the plus symbol. Then, since it's too long, if it's too long, you make it however long you want. I want 10 seconds. Then, we need to make this video more nice, right? So we add our audio. And mostly everything says pro, right? So we gotta choose something that's free. And the free things are good too. But the pro subscription is nice. And we're not gonna cut it up like Microsoft Word does. We're just gonna drag the end all the way to the beginning to match how much video we have. If we have too much footage, if we have too less footage and a lot of music, then we don't need that much music. We can just crop it down. And we have magnetism. It just clicks into place. Like if you drag it, it just clicks into place, so you don't have to be so precise. I like to keep it on, but you can press the letter N on your keyboard to switch it off. And we have text. We need to caption our video, right? So we're just going to choose a text here, whichever one you want. I'm going to go with this one. And we're going to drag it to our video because it might not be in the video for you. And we're going to make it longer so it's more for the whole entire clip. So we're going to double click on that in the player box, which is also very useful. The player box is useful. So we're going to delete the ABC and we're going to put in, what are we going to put in? We're going to put in a day in the park. A nice day in the park. Yeah, a nice day in the park. And since that's a little bit too big for the whole frame, we're going to crop it down a little bit, just like you do when you zoom in or zoom out. But you're going to do it with your mouse, so you can make it smaller or bigger. And you're going to drag that box to wherever you want it on the screen. And you can change the font of this. You can keep the style, but you can change the font. I'm going to choose American Typewriter, but you can choose whatever you want. Then we need some stickers to make it look nice. And I'm going to scroll all the way down and choose the sunshine sticker. And because it's a nice day in the park and the sun is shining. So we're going to put that wherever we want. I want to put it right next to mine. And here, Some stickers have animation and some stickers don't. So we're gonna make this sticker durate for the whole clip, and we're going to crop it down a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the effects. Here we are going to make our video more with more movement so it's not so boring. And let's see, what do we have here? Most of these are pro things, so we need to choose for this park. We gotta got some rebound swing, which makes it just move a little bit side to side, like a real person is filming it. I used to put this on a stand on a bench, so it didn't move so much. But I'm gonna put a filter so that it looks like I'm holding it, and it looks really nice. It looks like the words are just staying in the same place, but you can choose whatever filter you prefer. And we gotta check if everything's going good. So after that, we got to go to the we gotta make it longer so that we can put a transition in there. And when we want to put the transition, you can make it into two parts, or you can just make it longer, put whatever changes you want to make by copying and pasting the words, the stickers, the effects. We can change all of that. So we're gonna we're gonna copy the "A Nice Day in a Park," the text box that we want, and we're gonna put it right next to there with Control C or Command C, depending on what kind of computer you have. So you're gonna press Command C and then Command V to paste it down. And since that's a little bit too long for how much we extended the film, we're going to shorten it. Then we're gonna move that around, double click on the text box and change it. Video taken on in Liberty State Park. Liberty Park. Yep, and we're gonna make that a little bit smaller. You can make lines by pressing enter, but I don't want any lines, so that's just how I'm gonna do it. And then we're gonna take our sticker, but we don't need to copy our sticker. Oopsies. Nope, shouldn't do that. No, I got it. I can. Oh yeah, wait. No, you don't copy your sticker. You choose a different sticker after you delete this sticker. And you gotta move it right where the new text box is. And I'm gonna put passport because New York is a passport place. And then I'm going to put in a new effect and say, let's do this one. This one it's like it's cool. And we're gonna extend this a little bit longer. And we're gonna extend the audio a little bit longer because I like this one. And we're gonna move this to the perfect center. Because there, and we need to cut it with the split. And then we're gonna put a transition in. I'm gonna choose not this one, not this one. No, yes, maybe this one. Yep, this one's good. And that's one of our transitions. And oops, and then we're gonna play it to see how it's going. Because if you make a mistake but you didn't check it and you do so much work after the mistake, you can't just press undo so many times. Then you have to do your work all over again. Yep, this is pretty good. Sometimes there's issues with when at the end of each clip, so we gotta check the whole thing. Then we go to templates and we choose whatever outro you want. Oh, it looks like they don't have many outros here. Oh, they don't have outros. No, wait. Can we change? We sometimes with templates you can change it to whatever video you want. But no, it doesn't look like you can change this. I can't. No. No, you can't change this one. So we're gonna import. No, we're not gonna import. We're gonna copy and we're gonna put it right down there for the outro part because we're gonna make our own outro. So now we're gonna put the transition in since we already know how to do that. And then we're gonna make our caption, our sticker, and then we're gonna put an effect on it. Or maybe we won't put an effect. Thank you for watching our video. Oops. And then we need to put this thing, and we need to make it smaller, and we need to put a sticker in there. If you're a content creator, you want people to like your video, and then you can progress to more milestones that you want. I'm gonna put one of these announcement things to make it more funnier. But what's important is finding your own style, so you wanna do whatever you want. And sometimes you have to search for the things that you want. You have to keep on scrolling, and that's a waste of time. I want to finish this. Subscribe, and we're gonna press that, and we're gonna select this one. We're gonna make it smaller. Put it right there, and then we check. We make the audio longer, and we make the caption durate longer. We make the stickers durate longer. And if it won't drag down, that's probably because you have more than you have a lot of stickers. So you make both of those longer. And then we're gonna check the whole video, and it's going nice. It's good. It's good. And checking is very important to how we operate a video. So you have to check every single second if everything is going okay and everything. And sometimes you might get pop-up messages about their performance, but that's okay. Thanks again for watching this whole video. It really means a lot to me, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video and send it to your friends. It'll really mean a lot to me. If you want more of this type of videos, let me know in the comments.